Everyone, welcome back. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to run our first ad. Okay, now the first ad that we are going to run is being done after all the hygiene tasks of adding the ad accounts, adding the pages, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all of those including WhatsApp and all, everything has been done. After that only we can move ahead but for creating the first ad. Now even the the WhatsApp as well as the Instagram and Messenger are all optional, but it is mandatory for you to basically go ahead and add either Facebook or Instagram, either of the two options for you to run ads, because however you are going to run ads without basically having a personal account attached to the business manager. All right, so what we are going to do is we are going to click on get started, and as you can see there are a few goals that are being shown to us. Now Facebook keeps on changing the entire dashboard of how you can run and manage ads. However, this is the latest one that also has the automated ads which has been added to this particular option. Okay, so we can run our automated ads. Let's click on this. As you can see, answer a few questions about the company, then we'll help you build an effective ad and optimize their success. So we are going to start with this one, and probably while we move ahead we are going to create a few ads, seeing other the we are going to check a few more options, and then we are also going to check how we can leverage the power of ChatGPT and bard.google.com to also maximize all of the potential and apply the best practices that has been put forward. Okay, so let's go ahead with this option right now. As you can see, it says let's create your personalized plan, answer a few questions. All right, let's move ahead, get started. Do you want people to come into your business location? No, because this doesn't apply. It's a complete digital business. So let's click on next. Do you have a website? Yes, we just have to answer very basic questions. Do people buy products from your website? Yes, no, yes. So I'll just quickly keep on answering the entire thing to move ahead. There are only about, we are already done with 50% of the questions. So it's a freelance marketplace. So I have just added freelancer. So there are a few more places wherein we can add the creatives for our particular advertisement. We are not going to add anything else, though we can, and we can add a few designs as well. So we are also taking a few sample shots. As you can see, it says it is basically powered by Shutterstock, and it says stock images may not comply with Meta, which is okay because you need to verify it yourself visually. However, the watermark won't appear in the final ad image. Alright, so we click on select. We can disable the image unrelated to our entire ad, and then we can click on next. All right, so as you can see, this is going to be the daily budget, the estimated GST, and the total. Everything has been put forward. All of the details have been entered by default. Now this is helpful while you do not want to get down into anything and you just want to run ads and let Facebook do all of the work at the back end. So any kind of heavy lifting is something that you do not need to do. You just can put down your money and let Facebook find audience, let Facebook spend all probably the budget that you have set for the daily usage, and can bring you customers. So what we are going to get is, we are going to get replies, because that is what the target is. 6 to 19 replies we are going to get. The account center account reach is account center accounts. When this says like this, it means that the accounts which are basically mapped to your account center, which is the Facebook, the Instagram, the Messenger, the WhatsApp, whichever things that you have added, the assets that you have added, which are basically being used to put forward the ads to people. So if your Messenger has been added, and that is displaying the ads to particular places wherein people can start a chat with you on Messenger, then that ad account is being added. Sorry, so that application is being added, and that is also added within the account center. So all of those included, you are going to get at maximum reached of 6500 people. Okay, so we can also choose our goal over here. This is the goal that is being displayed by default. We can choose to set that if we want to get more traffic, if we want to get more visitors to our website, or else we want to get more leads. So we can click on any of those, and accordingly the future options, the bottom options are gonna change. So if we do not want messages on Messenger, we can go down and click on get more shoppers. So we can enter our website URL, which has already been entered, and that is where the details have been pulled from. So there are a few details which are already entered. We can also work and see how we can leverage the power of ChatGPT and can model this. So the daily target total budget has been provided over here. Let's see a few settings. In the next video, let's understand how this entire thing works, and individually check all of the options of how we can set goals using the automated advanced feature. And then we can also see how we can run the entire ad manually. So if we do this, that gets shoppers to visit your website, you can see the link clicks will be around 69 to 200. So these are all the benefits that we reap once we are using automated ads. However, we may be able to go more ahead than this using a method which is the manual method, and also scaling the ads to our best understanding. Okay, so this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.